There's nothing like enjoying cold drinks with friends, cooking a meal, or playing cards in the great outdoors. That's why we've created our ultra-lightweight aluminum camping table. The camping table sets up in mere seconds and comes with a convenient carry bag. It's so easy to bring along with you camping, hiking, fishing, or to the beach. The camping table is built with an aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, so it's waterproof, rust-proof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean and durable enough to last for years. With 3 sizes to choose from, you're sure to find the right fit for your needs. Add a little luxury to your outdoor experiences with the Hider Hike camping table.
The GCI Outdoor Compact Camp Table 20 is the perfect camp table for 2 people. A unique one-piece design with patent-pending telescoping legs, the table folds down to half its size. The Compact Camp Table 20 is quick and easy to set up. Just pull legs down and rotate tabletop together for use. The Compact Camp Table 20 is designed with a lightweight aluminum frame that supports up to 60 pounds. When it's time to pack up, rotate the tabletop, then, using our patent-pending squeeze telescoping technology, squeeze the tabletop together and push down to compress. The Compact Camp Table 20 is ideal for camping, RVs, tailgating, and any outdoor activity.
Hey guys, this is Paul here from Trekology. I just wanted to quickly show everybody our new Trekology aluminum camping table. This table comes in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small size. I have the medium size here, which I'll be assembling, and to my right here is the large size. So to assemble the table, simply open the carrying pouch that it comes in. Inside the pouch, you'll actually see 2 small pouches inside of here because there are 2 main components of the table. The first part is the table top here, which I'll be setting to the side for now. The second part are the table legs. So we'll want to start the assembly with the table legs. On the 2 outside corners are these bars that can rotate up and down. Simply grab the legs by these opposite corners and pull them to open the legs of the table open. To finish the assembly of the legs, you'll see on one end of the swinging bar there's a small hole. You'll want to line this small hole up with a tab on the opposite side of the table leg. So simply swing this bar down and align the hole with the tab on the table leg, and when it's pushed down, this part of the leg will be flush with the opposite side. So simply do the same thing with the opposite side. Match this hole up with the tab on the opposite side of the leg, push down, and now the leg is flush. So now we can move on to the tabletop. To open the tabletop up, there's this elastic band which you can just pull off, and then open the table up. This flat side is the top of the table. Now, the orientation of the table is important. You'll see on 2 sides of the table, there's this metal bar that runs along one side of the table. You will want to align this metal bar up with these tabs that run along the side of the table. So I match this bar up with the tabs on the side of the table legs. They'll simply snap into place. So now I go to the other side of the table, and there's another bar along this side of the table. I do the same thing, line this bar up with these tabs on the table legs, simply push down, and now the table's assembled. If you're on the beach or having a picnic, you don't want your bag to blow away in the wind. So if you want, you can just take this pouch that the bag comes in and just tie a knot on the leg just so you don't lose it. And this is the aluminum Trekology table. I really like this table a lot if I'm camping, if I spill a drink on it or maybe some food. This is really easy to clean up. You simply wipe it off with a wet cloth, and this table is really easy to clean. Really love it for camping. As I mentioned earlier, this table does come in 3 different sizes. To my left, this is a small table. This is the medium-sized table, and to my right here is the large table. So now I'll show you how to disassemble the table. To disassemble the table, you simply do everything in reverse. The outer corner of the table, and simply pull it up until this bar is released from these tabs. Now you'll want to fold the table up accordion style, like this, until you get to the other side, and then you'll just lift this side up off the table. The elastic band can simply be wrapped around tabletop, and this can go back into the carrying pouch. Now for the legs of the table, we simply pull up on this horizontal bar of the table, fold it down to the other side, take the opposite corners of the table legs, simply pull them together. That can go back in the bag, and that's it. This is the Trekology aluminum camping table. Thanks for watching.